A visual workplace works best when it's visual. Never miss a scheduled inspection again with the Brady Inspection Timer, a visual reminder for your most critical tasks. The 5 LED lights are impossible to miss, with units available to count down annual, semi-annual, quarterly, monthly, and weekly inspection cycles. When the light turns red, you know it's time to bring your gear up to date. Versatile mounting points can accommodate all equipment and scenarios. The patent-pending design is IP65 rated and rugged enough to handle whatever your crew and Mother Nature can throw at it. The Brady Inspection Timer brings visual clarity to your equipment compliance routine. Never miss a beat.